I want money. Oh, stay. Please stay. No way. Oh my gosh, look how much cash that is. Stay. What's going on, Joy fam? So really quick before the video starts, as always, I'm letting everyone know the iPhone XR giveaway is still continuing. Guys, I haven't picked the winners yet, and I am going to be picking the winners in the month of February. Because I will not be picking the winners this month, head over to my buddy Claw Kicker's channel. His link will be in the description. He's giving away an iPhone XS Max this week. So if you guys want an extra chance to win another iPhone, head over to his channel, subscribe now, turn on bell notifications so you guys have the best chance at winning this iPhone, because I won't be telling you guys when I'll be giving this away. It's going to be completely random, so you guys will just have to get lucky. I just shipped out my last iPhone to my last winner, so they should be getting that very soon, and I want to start promoting the winners now, so they'll be in the description if you guys want to see the winners and even check them out and see that it's completely legit. Big things are coming this year. I am so excited for you guys to see some of the new videos that are coming out. It's gonna just blow you guys away. If you guys haven't subscribed now, turn on those bell notifications, enter to win an iPhone XR for free. I'll see you guys in the video. Thanks for watching. What's going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. We are at the prize palace today. Guys, check this out. Look how much cash is in this claw machine. That is insane. But basically it's $5 a try, which is kind of insane because if I put money in here, my whole goal is to get more money back. So every time I lose, that's kind of dipping into my profits. So I'm gonna insert $5 to play. Here we go. Here we go. Let's try right there. Come on, baby. I want money. Oh my gosh. See, and there goes $5 just like that. Well, dang, that wasn't very good. I don't know. Money. Oh, we got $1. Well, that really doesn't help at all because now we spent $5 on $1. So $1.
I got you $1. Oh, you almost had it.
Come on, baby. I want money. Oh, stay. Please stay. No way. Oh my gosh, look how much cash that is. Stay.
Bruh.
Oh my god, dude. Did you see that? Guys, did you not see that? Okay, you have to saw it. You're watching this video. I'll slow it down for you. Literally, that was so insane. I barely hung on. I almost had it. Now I can get it though. Look how much elevated it is. That's an easy one. Watch this. Watch this. Ready? Did you guys see that? Alright, that shows record. That just took my $5. I gotta get that back. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yes, stay in there, please. I want money. Please, I need money. I'm poor. Yes, let's go. No way, guys. Check this out. Money, baby. Hey, guys, that's insane. How much do you think is in here? It's mostly one, guys, so I want to guess it's $100, but I've probably spent, what, like 20 bucks so far, so that we actually came out really well on this stat. Here we go. Come on, baby. Money, money, money. Big money. Oh, stay, please stay. Oh my god, is it slipping? Is it slipping? No. Oh my god. That's so insane. Did you guys see that? It literally bounced off. That's how close I was to losing it. The goal here is pretty simple. Get as much money as possible. So guys, I'm putting in a $20 bill. Call me crazy, but you know you want it. There we go. All right, here we go. Will I be able to pay my bills this month? Come on, I need my rent money. Oh, stay. Oh, $1? My rent is more than $1. Come on, bro. Well, we got $1. I mean, I really can't complain, but I mean, I can. It's only $1, so like, what am I gonna do? Hot and spicy? Perfect. Give it to me. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. you see the way it just drops it? Picks it up and drops it? I feel like I've been dropped before, maybe as a child. Deployed the claw. Come on, pick it up. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Stay in there, please. Oh my gosh. I got $200. Are you kidding me? One like equals one prayer. Let's just go to spin perfectly. Right there. Come on. Stay. Please stay. Please stay. Don't drop. Don't drop. Don't drop. Yes! No way. We got it. Heck yes. Heck to the yes. Oh, there we go, baby. Another stack of cash. Check that out. I'll be selling this on my eBay. I'm just kidding now. Just gotta grab it right there. Come on, please. Oh, 2 in a row. No way. This is what we need, guys. Please stay. Yes, no way. We got 2 in a row. This is perfect because I've spent more than $200 on this. So now that I've won this, nice, dude. $300 right here. Guys, it's gonna be a nice little payday after this. I'm gonna head to the strip club, if you know. Only if you're over 18, guys. God's watching. Sorry. Oh, maybe. Come on. No way, stay in there.
Hey, slippery.
Oh, no, I saw it slipping. My dreams were slipping away as quick as that cash was, but don't worry, guys. I'm gonna keep going for it. I need some cash in the bank. Oh, I missed it. I missed that one. Okay, well, $2. It's a nice little switch up at least. Oh, I spoke too soon. Ooh, perfect. Come on. That might. Oh, $5 more. Hey, if I win that, yes. Okay, good. I didn't lose any money out of that, so thank God. Go, come on. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I have it. All right. Oh, there we go. That looks good. Come on. There we go. And $1, please, or whatever. Just stay in there, please. Yes. Let's go, guys. We've gotten $400 so far. What the heck? That's insane. Check this out. This does look like a lot of money, but it's all ones. But still, $400 for about $300 I've spent. $100 profit. Not too bad. There we go. Maybe. Oh, $3. Oh, yeah. Oh, and there's the reality of it, folks. There we go. It's my money and I need it now.
It's my money and I need it.
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 I win it here, I walk away with $100. If I don't, I still walk away with $80 profit. So whatever happens, happens. Just know, Joy fam, you've been there for me this whole way through. And there's just one thing I've been trying to get off my mind for a while. Don't forget to subscribe now. Turn on all notifications if you guys want to enter my iPhone XR giveaway that I'm giving to you completely for free. So if I win this $100 right now, that also means I'm giving away. Are you kidding me, dude? What? What are they selling? Chocolates? These guys, it's just hit or miss. But I guess I never miss, huh?
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya.
Right there, that should have it. Oh my God, look at that, look at that grab. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Literally, guys, I don't even care that I didn't win it. The way it picked it up was kind of nice. I don't know how to explain it. You know what? No, I tell you. I literally didn't even want that $1, guys. I didn't want to end on that note. Literally, no. Some people call bills a note. It's really rare to find a cash claw machine, so I know you guys like to see me win some cash, but heck to the yes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.